Hello guys, I use my phone Alcatel One. This version 1 GB RAM memory and 16 GB Intel memory. We have open back cover. Under back cover we have battery, 2000 mAh, 2 slot for nano SIM card and slot for micro SD card. Camera and LED on the back side. On this side without controls. Right side power key and volume keys. Upside headphones jack and microphone. Downside micro USB port and microphone. On the front side only 5-inch display, front camera, LED, front camera analog speaker, okay, turn on device, TFT display, okay, Android 8.1, okay, close this, and open tests. Geekbench 5 test, look results, if we have results. MediaTek 6739 this CPU, 1.3 GHz CPU speed, quad-core processor. Okay, we don't have results. And open Antutu benchmark, look Antutu benchmark score. And Antutu benchmark not work, we don't have results, but GTA San Andreas can run on this device. Benchmark doesn't work, but GTA San Andreas work. And now I'll show how this game work. On the low graphic level, only this level we can play GTA San Andreas. Game load, and works not bad on the low graphic level. We can play, really we can play on this device. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.